They say food fuels your body. But for most of us, meal planning fuels stress, decisions, grocery lists. What's for dinner again? Imagine a world where every meal is already planned, every grocery list ready. Every morning starts with clarity instead of chaos. Introducing our 28-day quick and easy meal plan, a complete blueprint designed for busy people with busy lives. No guesswork, no overwhelm. Just simple, delicious meals you can actually make. You get 28 days of balanced recipes, 4 weeks of organized grocery lists, time-saving meal prep tips, and daily guidance so you're never stuck wondering what to cook. No more late-night stress. No last-minute takeout. No wasted food. Just a life that flows smoother, tastes better, and feels healthier. So if you're ready to simplify your kitchen, save time, eat with purpose, and start the new year fresh, click the link in the description and start your 28-day journey today.